This video, I will show you how to create an account on Quora app. So you just need to watch and follow this video till the end. Open your app Quora first, and then it will open here on this homepage. Choose how you want to sign in. For me, with my Google account, I will just use one. Click continue. And right now it's going to take me to the home page. And I have right now to select 5 of my favorite topics like science, music, books, business, and psychology, for example. Click next and choose the languages that you want to use or you are interested with. Click down. And right now it's loading for feed. And this is the feed of your Quora. If we back now and we go click here, this is our profile. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.